Welcome. In front of me is a ALCATEL 1T10 Smart, and today I will show you how you can insert your SD card into this tablet. So to get started, I'm going to unplug it from charging for now. So to get started, we're going to flip it to the side where you have your charging port. So it looks like the top based on the camera. Whatever you consider this, it's basically right next to the camera and the charging port. You have this little plastic slit. Just lift it up, it will clip out of place, and then you can just kind of like flip it, as you can see, and you can now insert your SD card in here. So place it with the chip side, so this would be the chip, side down. And you want to push it till it clicks into place. Now you will see that it kind of gives you resistance when you're pushing it in, because it is spring loaded. So as you can see, till it clicks into place, which is right about now, and you let go, it stays clicked. And that's all you need to do. And just close the cover back up. There we go. And you're good to go. Now the SD card that I have inserted is being detected, but the card itself doesn't actually work, so I'm not really going to show anything with it. But that is how you would insert the card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.